Crypto billionaire 69 back with another in-depth daily technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars. Let's head straight over to the crypto fear and greed index to judge the overall market sentiment of this current day and age. Hit that subscribe button if you like daily in-depth technical analysis. Woo! That's beautiful. Wow, look at this, guys. Look at this. This is beautiful. And look at last month, extreme greed. And this has been extreme fear in the last couple days. This is extreme buying opportunities. Whenever you see people are scared, that's when you want to start averaging in. That's the mindset. Now let's get straight into the charts to see when the best price is to start averaging in. What you guys should look out for in the coming days to signify that this is a healthy retracement to the 0.618 Fibonacci level. And we will be continuing to the upside. This is what we need to see in order to see that happen. All right. So, if you guys are saying, what's a Fibonacci 0.618 level? Okay, well, hang on. I'll show you right now. This is Fibonacci 0.618 level. Boom. Came down first time, hit it. Started averaging down, hit it. Now, we don't want to drop below this 0.618 or we will be heading back down to this 0.786 level, okay? Around the sixes. We don't want to do that. We don't want to break this. And we need to start seeing some buying pressure here in order to see this price action continue to the upside, all right? Now, those of you in the Patreon, you guys are making money. You guys are averaging in at the best times. Whenever it dips, the best price action, I'll let you guys know. You guys are the first ones to know. Okay, this is what we need to look for in the coming days, coming hours on Dogelon Mars in order for all of you beautiful people that are trying to average in and find the best price and bang for your buck. This is what you need to look for. So, starting out, we've seen this big red candle push to the upside, come back down, and close at the bottom. Now, this green candle is coming up. We need to close above this previous high of this red candle body. We need to close above this 1147 level on the daily candles. We are at the 1150 levels, okay? We want to see some more buying pressure step in. We want to see some more buyers step in and close above that, all right? This will be called, if we do close above it, that's called a bullish engulfing candle. So this big green candle came over and engulfed this red candle to the left, all right? That's a good sign. That means we are eating previous resistance and we're clearing the path to continue to the upside, all right? We want to hold this level around the 11s as a strong support level, okay? If you hear some weird noises in the background, I'm currently in the car. I'm going to film for some other YouTube channels that I do, so don't mind the noise, don't mind the motorcycles going by and whatnot. So this is what we need to look out for. If it does start to come down, we want to see some strong buying pressure on these 11s, okay? However, we don't want it to drop. We want it to close above this 1147 level, which it is exactly touching at this moment, all right? And that's in the daily candle. Let's move down to the 4-hourly charts, give you some more in-depth analysis on what's going on. We see some institutional buying power here. Swing low, swing high. All right, look at this fib level. Let me just delete this one. Came down to 0.618. It touched the 0.5, and now it is hovering. We want to see it break through this 1162 and continue to the upside in the next 8 hours. That's what we want to see. In the next 8 hours, we want to see that it is making higher lows. We are seeing a bull flag form, okay? What's a bull flag? I'll show you guys what's a bull flag. Alright, if you guys are interested in learning at your own pace, learning all this sort of stuff on your own time, and so you don't have to watch these videos, not even watch these videos so you can understand these videos, check out the course. I'm making a course right now. Now, it is not complete. However, that's a good thing because you can email me on what you want to learn, what you don't know, and I will clarify it for you. And indeed, I'll even make personalized videos just for you. It is 50% off. I'll leave it in the description, so go check that out if you want to learn how to take your trading to the next level. Okay, we are in a bullish flag formation. We want to see it break above this 1170 level and turn this previous resistance into new support on this top trend line here. Once we see that, then it's clear sailing to the upside. Our next stop will be around this 14, 16 levels, okay? After that, it will be the 17s. But all this doesn't matter if the overall market continues to drop, if the overall market continues to drop, it's going to be hard for any other coin in the market to consolidate at a specific point, because they will also follow whatever Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing. Now, this is more specified around Ethereum, but Ethereum is more specified around Bitcoin, and they're all connected at this moment in time. Now, 5 years down the road, 10 years down the road, I don't think one coin will control the whole market. However, right now, since it's such a new emerging industry, that is how this industry is going. Okay. So, again, let me make it super easy for all of you newbies out there. What we need to look out for. We want to come up in the next 8 hours, close above this 1170 level, and stay above that in the next day, okay? Because that means we have broken out of this bullish flag formation to the upside, all right? And if we stay out of that bullish flag formation for 2 days after that, that means it is not a fake out, and we are going to continue to the upside. Sometimes the whales will push it up and then sell their bags to fake people out so they get in up here, and the big money can get a better price down at the bottom. However, we've been seeing a lot of fake outs. This was a double fake out here, and now we're in a bullish flag formation. So that's what we want to look out for next 2 days, okay? Crypto Billionaire 69, hit that subscribe button for daily in-depth technical analysis videos. Now, Christmas is coming up. I understand you guys got to save money, but hey, push them aside for investing. Only invest money you're willing to lose. This is not financial advice, simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. However, investing is what changes your life in the long term. So, my friends, you're beautiful. You're amazing. Merry early Christmas. Be safe. Have fun. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Crypto Billionaire 69. Peace.